Monty, it's Shado Park, it's geometry, and here we are finishing up another week of school. We just finished week 10. We got to get ready for week 11. That's April 18th to the 22nd. And next 2 weeks is what we call SBAC testing time. That's for the English classes, and then the following week is for the math and science classes. Now that's mainly for the juniors and the sophomores, but we actually do some practicing right in our math class so that you get used to doing online math and using the online calculator that they mandate has to be used on those tests. Okay? So that's the next 2 weeks. We call them block schedules. On Monday and Wednesday, you go to period advisory 1, 3, 5. And then on Tuesday, Thursday, go to advisory 2, 4, 6. That's for the next 2 weeks on Monday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday. But before we get on with anything else, it's time for our shout outs. So let's get started with birthday time. Our birthdays for the month of April go to David Hirsch on April 2nd, on April 4th, Logan Anderson, on April 7th, Chris Ferraro, on April 8th, Anthony Gomez, on April 10th, Rita Kurganova, on April 12th, Tatum Piper, on April 16th, Kaylee Lewis, on April 18th, Lily Hendrickson, and on April 23rd, Daisy Stegman. Happy birthday to those folks. Okay, then this week, our Mathia participation. Those of you that got into it realized, whoa, this Mathia is doable. Yes, and this Mathia was all based upon arc length and sector area and circumference, distance around a circle and the area in the circle. And those folks that did over and above, Logan Anderson, Genesis Camaro, Karina Granados, Jocelyn Ives, Addison Yan, Tristan Larson, Jade Lipscomb, J.E. Stahl, and Christian Walters in period 3. In period 4, Rosalina Bonney, Evan Cavell, Elliot Collins, Kylie Jensen, Macario McGriff, Mercedes Nichols, Molly Pickard, Delilah Rivera, Cadence Saylor, Celeste Wink, and Heaven Zink. And in period 5, Tristan Bell, Jackson Berkey, Elijah Glancer, Ellie Petty, Malachi Rindy, Matthew Shuck, Daisy Stegman, and Gabby Warnock. And then the folks with the stars are the ones that did extra workspaces, actually completed one or even more. Logan Anderson, Karina Granados, Tristan Larson, Jade Lipscomb, Rosalina Bonney, Evan Cavell, Elliot Collins, Kylie Jensen, Macario McGriff, Mercedes Nichols, Molly Pickard, Delilah Rivera, Celeste Wink, period 5, Tristan Bell, Ellie Petty, Matthew Shuck, and Gabby Warnock. All right, good job to all them. And now, if you remember, we started the week out and we did how high is the heart problem. And that heart problem, we put that heart on the 3rd floor here at Shado Park, and by using a protractor and a straw, we were able to calculate within 1 foot how far we were standing from that heart. And those folks doing that real world math problem got their stuff hung in the hall. So I want to thank you for all your work and participation with that. And those folks are Logan Anderson, Anthony Gomez, David Hirsch, Zylo Holman, Jocelyn Ives, Addison Yan, Tristan Larson, Jade Lipscomb, Dylan Munger, J.E. Stahl, Evan Upton, Christian Walters, and Damian Wickman in period 3. In period 4, Rosalina Bonney, Evan Cavell, Gabe Claypool, Elliot Collins, Rashad Hart, Tommy Krotzer, Janine Lopez, Macario McGriff, Mercedes Nichols, Molly Pickard, Delilah Rivera, Celeste Wink, and Heaven Zink. And in period 5, Desiree Ballou, Jackson Berkey, Cam Brown, Chris Ferraro, Araya Howard, Quinton Mason, London Opry Jennings, Ellie Petty, Malachi Rindy, Matthew Shuck, Daisy Stegman, Cassidy Sullivan, Gabby Warnock, Leo Walters, and Tyler Wyon. Okay, well, that was a busy week, right? Now we're going to get into this block schedule where what are we going to be doing? Okay, this idea of SBAC testing. Okay, so this upcoming week, SBAC testing. Okay, in our actual math class, we're going to do a little bit of practice. So you see what kind of problems are on the test, and you get some practice using the online calculator that is allowed only for SBAC testing. Okay, and some of those problems are actually kind of fun. They're called performance tasks, and we're going to do one in the classroom that actually aligns perfectly to where we are with shapes, solids, angle measures, and area. It's called the roof truss problem. And we're going to be doing that next week in class, in addition to wrapping up sector area and arc length. So until next week, when we do this SBAC testing thing, we'll see you Monday in the classroom.